This is College Application Planner. It's a way for you to quickly plan all of your college applications without the need for a college counselor. It's a way for you to get started on all of your college applications with a quick college list. You can plan your supplements and you can make sure that you won't miss a deadline. It'll give you a quick college list right here at the start. It'll list all of your supplements. You can write the supplements right in the application, and it'll help you plan all of your essays and make sure that you don't miss one. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Just hit the sign in button and you'll be prompted to sign in with a Gmail account. So, you can use your existing Gmail account. Once you sign in, you're greeted here with a page that shows you all of the tasks that you need to complete. Let's start with completing the profile. Here you'll be prompted to add in important information about yourself so that we can calculate a proper college list for you based off of your major, your academics, and stuff like that. Start off by just entering your name. And then we can add an email. Over here, I'll just go with a collegeappplanner@gmail.com. And then you can enter in a date for when you want to start your emails. I'll say I want to start on July 6th of this year. Then you need to add your race. This just helps us calculate a proper college list for you. And your sex, so I'll just go with male. Then you go here to your academics page. Here I'll put in a simple GPA of 3.0, and I prefer to take the ACT, so I'll go with an ACT of 30, 30, and 30. These are just important metrics so that we can properly calculate a college list for you. And then here on the college page, you need to select a major. So I'll just go with a major of, say, we'll go with accounting. And then save this data, and with this now we can go and properly calculate a college list. So if we head back to the home page, we can now go to the Build College List page. Here we're greeted with a college list of schools that offer the major and that are reach, target, and safety based off of the test scores, GPA, race, and sex that we entered in previously. So from here, I can choose to add universities that I'd be interested in. So say I like Berea College, I like the Southwestern Christian University, Texas A&M, and I like Harvard, Caltech, and the U.S. Military Academy. Now, these are schools that I would be interested in applying to. So now from here, I can choose to sort them in an order that would be preferential to me. So say I like Harvard over the U.S. Military Academy, and I like the Southwestern Christian University over Texas A&M. This now helps the college planner. It'll help us decide whether you want to apply ED, EA, or regular decision for these colleges. So make sure that you don't miss this step. Now once we're done adding colleges from this page, you can hit the mark as completed and it'll finish saving all of this data. Now don't worry, this is not your final college list. You can add more colleges as I'll show you now. So you can go over here to this college list page, and over here it'll display your current schools, and you can update the status of a school as accepted, rejected, or waitlisted here, and you can add new schools here. So say I want to add the University of California at Berkeley. I just hit that and it adds it here into the target section. Now say I did not get into this school, I can set it as rejected, and it's basically a way for you to see all of your schools, what you've got it into, what your options are, right here on one page. Now that I have all of this information, I can recalculate work times, and basically what this does is that the College App Planner, it'll plan out each essay and it'll make sure that you don't miss a deadline. Now when you add a new college here, you want to make sure that you recalculate those times so that you don't miss the work times of the new colleges. They'll also recalculate your ED, EA, and RD for your schools based on your preference and what the order is here. Now if we head back to the home page, we'll see that the profile and a Build College List page have been completed. From here, we want to make sure that we complete the Common App essay. And for those of you who don't know, The Common App is basically an application where you can write one main essay. With this main essay, you send this to all of your schools. Over here, we can just write a basic essay, and once you're done, you save it and just mark it as completed. Here on the home page, it'll make sure that you have completed that step. Now, before we move into the supplements, let's go to the calendar page. Over here, you'll be able to see all of the essays that you need to complete, and it'll also talk about the work times, when you want to work on those essays, and it'll show you the deadlines for those schools. So if we continue here, based off of when I wanted to start my essays, it's added the essays here. So the University of California, Berkeley Essay 1, that's going to be the first one that I need to complete. The Military Academy's got essays, Caltech has got essays, and basically it's just planned out all of these essays right here. Also shows the deadlines here in red. Now, if we go back to the home page, from here we can move on to the next step, which is writing the supplements. Writing the supplements is an important part because this really phrases a good chunk of your college application. Many people say it's about half of your college application. So over here we see all of the essays that we do need to write, and we can make sure that we don't miss certain essays. Now, certain of these schools don't have any essays, so I'll just mark them here as 0. Say I want to start with the Harvard essay, and over here we can just write, whichever essays you want to do, and once we're done with the essays, we just mark it as completed, and then we don't need to worry about that school anymore. Once you're done, you can go ahead and submit your applications, as we'll see on the home page. So once I've completed all the supplements, the next step is to just submit the application. So basically, the College Application Planner is a way for you to make sure that you have completed all of your college applications in a timely manner. Now, the College Application Planner is still a new service, and there's a lot of features that we still have yet to add. And if there's something that you do want to see, go over to the Send Feedback page, and please do send us some information here because we'd love to add new features here. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we hope that you do enjoy the new College Application Planner.